What's up, everybody? I'm rushing a bit because my dealer is allowing me to film the Beosound stage. Woo! Oh dear God, that was bad. Anyway, he's helping me out a lot. Links to all his stuff will be down in the description. If you're local in the Netherlands, visit his shop. It's central in the country. It's in Utrecht. It's a new he recently relocated, so the shop is fairly new. It's gorgeous though, you'll see later. Anyway, follow him on Instagram and go along for the ride. So here we're arriving at his shop in Utrecht. It's all brand new. It looks very, very good. As you'll see, the presentation is very inviting. You start off with some A9s and a shape on the wall. Beoplay, or B&O as it's now called. A Beosound stage, some Beolab 50s, some refurbished B&O. Excellent condition though. Beosound 2, Beosound 1, an Edge, another Beosound stage. You'll get a teaser of that soon. More to follow later in the video. Some gorgeous Beolab 18s in black. Some Eclipses. And one of the first, I don't know if you caught it, Beolab 5, 50s, some E8s. And there we have the Beovision Harmony. My God, this thing is gorgeous. We'll follow up with another video soon. It's so pretty. As you can see, it's a complete shop. It has everything you could dream of. I'm addicted, and I bet you if you walk in, you'll be soon as well. Some Beolab 12s, still gorgeous. And now you'll get a little teaser of the Beosound stage. Now, if that doesn't entice you, I don't know what will. This is the aluminium and black one. Only Henrik can say the Quadrat properly, I think. But the aluminium and black one goes for about €1,500 here, about £1,250 I think in the UK. But it's absolutely stunning. The aluminium work, as always, is immaculate. B&O has really outdone themselves again. It's a brushed finish, so it's slightly less reflective, which I think goes well with TVs. And as you can see, it has four 4-inch drivers, 4 mid-range drivers and 3 tweeters to give you an all-encompassing sound. So now let's get to some unboxing. Actually, the box comes in a box, and I didn't show you that, but that's how it's sent to dealers, so it really should arrive properly. It's extra care, and they really stepped up and went the extra mile with this. As you can see, the packaging looks terrific. It's proper packaging. It's actually, compared to my Beosound 1, the colors are accurate. We're gonna look at the wood version here. And again, just before anybody asks, if you watch the podcast, John was right. It smells really, really good. It's kind of funny because I never really actually thought of smelling a product, but John made me do it more or less, and he's right. The box is tight as you expected. There's enough padding to keep everything in one piece. It's kind of heavy though, but it's really good. Here you have the accompanied, what you call it, the paper you hang on the wall so you can space it properly below your TV. It's about 5 centimeters below wherever your TV hangs. So hang your TV first, hold that up, and you have the exact measurement. And here we have the Beosound stage in the oak wood. It's looking gorgeous, but you'll see in a moment. It's properly packaged. Like, there's padding, there's plastic, then there's more padding, and then there you have me smelling it. And then there's more padding to stop scratches from happening. Here you have a little informational bit that it's actually wood and that you have to be cautious with damp environments. I mean, don't hang it in your bathroom, obviously. I guess you can if you really wanted to, but you really shouldn't. And then there's the dehumidification package. It's quite big actually, but then again, it's quite a big product. I really love this thing. This is something B&O has needed for so long, and finally it's here. I'm so happy about it. So here you see the grey Quadrat. Henrik, am I saying this right? With the wood. And we'll have a closer look at it. I think these are called Dovetail Joints, and they're excellent. They're molded in so nicely. The fabric is amazing to touch. Now, don't get your greasy hands all over it, but it is really nice to touch. And this thing looks stellar. And this again, you have a little puller that pulls the Quadrat cover off. I think it's magnetic mostly. And we'll have an even closer look. Those are the 45-degree upfiring drivers. They have the bass, the mid-range is the treble, more bass, and a better look at the 45-degree upward firing drivers. Now this is not for reflection, but it does add height, and it does an excellent job at it. And here we have a look at the back panel. It pops off really nicely. And there you have your power, your HDMI ARC in, your network, you have your analog in, and you can loop through your Ethernet cable in case you only have one. This is the little accessory box. Comes with a tiny manual. There you have a proper quality HDMI cable. It really feels good. And these are the brackets, well, in quotation mark brackets. You sort of put a screw through and you'll see later, and that's how you hang it. So it's very sleek design. You'll never really see it when it's on the wall. Those are the cable management clips, and then that's the little puller to get the fabric off. So here we have the quote-unquote bracket, and this is how it fits in the back of the Beosound stage. You can hang it just about every which way, but it only really works two ways, but still you have the option if you want to be different. This is the Stb bracket to pole mount it to either the stand of the Beovision 732 or 740. And you have these little pieces that slot in where the cables used to go, and that's how you attach one to the other, and you can have a proper B&O stand with your Beosound stage. And this is the Stb VESA mount. You can mount a 65 and 55 inch. The 77 inch version has a different VESA measurement, so that won't work, but 55 and 65 inch works with this bracket, again on the Beovision 732 and 740. Enjoy. So, what do you guys think about that? I love this thing, but let me know down in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. I'll have more in the next video, more Beosound stage, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.